So we went and we got some new fish for the boys. I'll just show you.
The little brown ones, whatever they are eating all the green stuff, but the orange ones are terrified. They're right.
Yeah, them little brown ones are like the sucker fish. I forget what they're called, but we got three
there you
of
go, it's in
them.
your skull now. It's eating off the skull.
That'll clean up all the algae, won't it?
That one loves to like.
The orange ones were a bit scared. One's hiding there.
That one's been eating
Yeah, the
a
skull.
lot.
And the other one's hiding in the other corner.
The one on the back has been eating like crazy.
Yeah, well, that's a clown. That's a clown loach, isn't it, in the corner there? Let me get closer so I can see.
They're not moving.
The camouflage.
I'm falling over all your shoes and stuff here, Jim. And weights and everything. You knocked around.
That one's camouflage.
Yeah.
See inside.
It's like a leopard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These all look
They
cute.
look
How
camouflage.
can I see inside?
One of them's on the back. One of them's there.
Where's all the guppies gone?
Yeah.
Oh, they're at the top and then them.
Can you
are at
see?
the bottom.
All right. Let me sit down there so I can have a good see. If you duck out of the way, little farmer.
I see.
Mini digger's coming and having a look.
And we also have we have a rabbit there, so we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 animals in my bedroom.
In your bedroom,
One,
you've got 14, yeah.
Yep.
2 animals.
That
No,
skull's
one,
creepy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool, that skull, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's about the size of your skull, I think, that, James.
But Dad, one
Is
of
that your evil twin?
um, Dad, one of the ones that clean the walls are inside it. I can see it.
Cement here.
Well, I forget what they call them, but there's some sort of sucker fish, aren't they? They clean all the
sucker
glass and they clean
fish.
their skulls and
Give
that.
it like a day,
Fish.
and that skull will be perfectly clean.
You think so?
Yeah.
We'll have a catch up then.
Dad, look at the front of the skull. It's so perfectly clean.
What, have they had a go at it
Yeah.
already? Oh,
Yeah.
right, that's good.
Look, it's so clean. The front of the skull.
I like the guppies, me.
Yeah.
Me too.
My favourite's the one that's hiding in the corner.
Well, there's two of them. Where's
Me
the other one?
too.
Is he behind the skull? The other?
Yeah, the other one's hiding right there behind the skull.
So today, which fish did we get?
We got the orange ones, and we also got the ones that attach to the wall and start cleaning.
We got 3 of the sucker fish and we got 2 of the clown loach, they're called.
Yeah.
Clown loach.
They don't really look like
See in
loaches, though.
here.
How do you know what a loach looks like?
I don't know. I just picture like a loach to be like kind of like a worm. type
Like a
thing.
worm. Oh, it's a leech. That's a leech.
Oh.
Yeah, thinking about leeches.
Oh.
Bradley's just fallen on his bottom.
Ow.
He tripped over my Lego box.
Do you like them fish?
Can you see my dad?
You're taking up the entire screen. What are you on about?
Yeah.
I like your picture there. I'm your father. And he's got a question mark over his head, the little one. I think, Bradley, what are you doing?
Just keep
That
falling.
is a
Yeah, because you're not supposed to be climbing, are
that is
you?
a gigantic dinosaur picture.
Yeah, we're not bothered about that. We're bothered about the fish.
Yes.
Right, good. Sorted. This is James's room. He's got all the dinosaurs up there. The lighting here is not very good, mate. It's a bit poor, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's a beautiful rabbit down there.
We have a rabbit. And
It's a menagerie, isn't it?
yeah.
Fish.
It's an animal kingdom.
Can I hold it?
No. Right, cool.
So.
It's because you're in the camera, aren't you?
It's 14.
How can I just see myself?
Me, James, and Bradley. Where's James? There he is.
Did you see yourself?
In James's room. His big dinosaur and Star Wars room, innit?
Yep.
Okay, boys and girls, we'll see you later on. We've got the fish in there.
Bye.
So everybody say bye-bye.
Bye.
So it's bye from the Murphinda boys. Bye.
Bye.